Hello everyone, my name is Neriza and I am thrilled to be here with you. I am currently a college student majoring in education. My passion lies in teaching young learners who are eager to grow and learn. Even though I don't have a formal teaching experience yet, but I am genuinely love working with many children. They inspire me with their curiosity and enthusiasm, especially when we make learning interactive and fun in a classroom setting. I am excited to teach primary students across all subjects with a special focus on mathematics. I do believe that it is important for them to understand that math isn't just numbers, it's a valuable tool in their everyday lives. Together, we can explore the world of math and discover how it helps us solve problems. So, for now, let's embark on this exciting learning journey together and let us help each other to learn and be more active in every class setting. So I am here to encourage everyone to bear with me as I do my job in teaching. And I am more passionate and willing to teach every young learners out there that who are in needs of their new experience or knowledge in every subjects they are or they want to take in the future. As I observe in my country or especially in our city, many students have lack of knowledge because they are not into studying and they are more into gadgets or playing games that could not help their mental health.